knock on the door. Hi, I'm here for the water leak.
Okay.
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 Thank you. I should go upstairs?
Yes. You want to stay here?
Yes, let me see.
Okay, come.
Thank you. Over here.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
And I found down yesterday noon. I didn't bother.
All right. We've got
Let's see.
some leakage. Let's see if we can get you.
Is that a clear knob on the
angle Yeah.
stop? Wow, that's old.
It's leaking.
She's a leaker.
All right.
The first time, the
There it is.
coming down is the leak.
Okay.
Yeah. And you're the tenant, right? You're not the owner, right?
But that is, I am here. Don't own it. I am the land.
Owner?
No,
Tenant.
landlord.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Wow, look at
Rented here.
Okay.
Oh, and it went all the way to the basement?
Yes.
Let's go see the basement.
Toilet and
Well, no, it's not wet here, but damn. Let's go see the basement. See, so look at all these droplets. Look at all that. Wow. You know what? This is probably like lead paint too. You know? Chris, want to take a wild guess what the property taxes here are? You know what? For shits and giggles, I'm gonna look it up. Let's check out the basement because we hear that the water damage made its way all the way to the basement. Lord Taylor, she got. Oh, look! You know who?
Wow.
yeah.
This is an oil boiler, and it's a new one. It's a Burnham Mega Steam. Yeah. Shout out to Steve Lav. Check out his YouTube channel. He loves working on oil. I hate it. I hate it with a passion. Look, they actually, very nice job with the insulation here. Very, very
That
nice.
is new.
Yeah, it's very nice. Nice job they did here.
Yes.
Wow, very nice. But oil expensive.
Everything expensive.
Yeah, you're right. You know, let's go Brandon, right? Wow. Let me see the other side because it went all the way through. We're gonna have to get a remediation company here.
I called landlord yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
Yes.
Wow.
he's not gonna be happy.
To her.
Her.
Yeah.
She's not gonna be
She lives
happy.
in Albany. Yeah. She's like a Hugh Hefner. She owns a lot of houses. All right. Let's. You know where the main water valve is?
What you say?
The main water valve.
The name.
The valve, the main water valve. Oh, it's over there. Okay, let's go over there. Let's make sure we have a functional valve. Okay.
I wanted something. The bathroom, the toilet in the upstairs. That one, the same as the sink.
Yeah.
If I use it coming down.
Leaks.
All right.
No. Yeah.
Chris, let's grab the tool bag from the truck and let's grab like a rag or an older towel. And we're gonna see what we can do up there. Let me turn off the water. The ball valve right there. And let's open up and drain down. And while that's open, we'll make sure that the second hand here, the minute hand, doesn't turn. So we're good. We're gonna drain down the house, replace the valve. All right, so right now we're gonna drain down the house. I got the basement laundry sink open. Let's open up the kitchen sink. Okay. I'm gonna get all that water out, because when I take off that valve and replace it, I don't want to get any water all over the place. And you guys are really in for a treat. It's not all the time that Mikey Pipes actually works with pipes, plumbing, does plumbing service calls. I'm only doing this because A, I'm the owner of the company and I should be able to do all of it. But most importantly, we need to give a moment of silence to the other Mike, Mike G. He has a case of Corona, and not the type you drink. So we wish him a speedy recovery from his China virus. Get out of his body, China. Christian has not learned the art. You have not learned the art of being a good technician. You have to let yourself see. You see? What do you want to bet she's loose? Here. We're gonna see if that nut on the Speedy is loose. Oh, look at that.
Crazy.
Well, we're changing this. I'm not gonna reuse the Speedy or the flexible supply line from this valve. Not gonna do that. We're gonna replace this. See? And now I need to see if I can get in there what kind of connection this is. Oh, is it right in there too? No, okay. What do we got in there? Oh, we have a effing Delta tube. You mother effer you. We got a Delta tube. A Delta tube looks like this, ladies and gentlemen. Let me show you. Let me show you. You see that? That's a Delta tube. It's stupid. I hate it. Because it's a Delta faucet. You know, I could probably just turn off the cold water at the valve and she'll never know. Nah. Ever watched those videos where there's a news team that's trying to like catch the plumber or catch the HVAC contractor?
Yep.
And I think it's like Chris Hansen, right? Oh, he's the no,
he's the different.
He's
type of catching.
yeah. I heard he got caught himself a case of that too, right?
I have no idea.
Oh, he went bankrupt. No, I think Chris Hansen did one of those Dateline things where like they try to catch the plumbers, and they try to be slick. They loosen up the flexible supply on top of a water heater, and then the plumbers come in, and then one guy, of course, tightens it up and saying everything is fine, and all the other ones try to sell him a new water heater, right? So what do I do here? Do I just tighten up the Speedy, right, which miraculously got loosened up on its own?
It's on video.
Or do I see if I have a new Speedy in the truck and milk this for like 2.5 hours because there's no room for me to get in there? I don't have to take apart the vanity to get up in there. I think we're gonna go look for a Delta tube in the truck.
All right.
Yep, let's do it. Okay, the old Speedy is out. I don't even know how I did it. I'm gonna use this 3/8 chrome plated brass Delta supply instead. The nut and ferrule. I gotta get back in there. I don't know how I did it.
Go get him, Tiger.
All right, I got it on there. Let's turn off the water. All right, let's turn off both of them. Now, I'm gonna go turn on the water. If you see water start spraying,
holla.
Holla. All right, I got the water back on. I got the air out of the laundry sink here. All right, so let's go. What? Where do you live in a seismic zone? Look at this. Oh, man. I swear, handyman hacks. Handyman hacks. That's funny. Hold on. She moved the carpet out of the way, like, so we don't get it dirty. Yeah, open up the hot valve and then cold valve. And hopefully, I'm gonna give you a wedgie. Oh! You don't have any like Bombas underwear? What? You got a little cocky on your fingers? Stripping?
No, like for a split second.
Oh, yeah, that happens. Let's go, Bosch.
You did pull me up.
I did? Pretend you're in basic. You know when...
It's not the name. Sorry.
What do they call the because you were an airman. What do they call them? Seamen?
Yep.
And if you're in the Coast Guard?
I think they're also seamen. I don't know.
Seamen. SEAMAN? MEN?
I believe so.
Or SEMEN?
No, definitely the first, I think.
Okay. Hot and cold back on?
Back on.
Any drips? Look at that cocky water. Open it up. Don't be scared. Get a little splashy action.
Squirting that out here.
A little squirter. All right. How are we looking underneath?
Looking good.
Want the flashlight so you can see better?
Sure.
You change it, something?
Yeah, we changed something, all right.
No.
You gotta feel it with your fingers. You feel any water there at the... 2 joints?
I can see that there's no water.
Okay. It's good?
It's good.
It's good. Muy bien.
Muy bueno.
Muy bien.
Bueno.
Bueno. Bueno aquí. Mucho trabajo aquí. Okay. Can't say the same thing about the drain, but oh, maybe that's because of the stopper. No, it's a fixed in place. I'm gonna break it if I touch this thing. Let me not touch it. No touchy.
Daddy thought you didn't use that from yesterday in the shower.
I know, but the leak wasn't there. The leak was under the sink.
You can't use that one.
You know,
Yeah.
leak was under the sink, so now we're good. Now we're good. All right, you need a new vanity, but whatever. At least this works now. Old Delta faucet. Good old Delta.
You know, some here is coming. Open it, coming water here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the old faucet.
This.
Oh yeah.
You must change it.
Yeah.
You must change it.
No, not must. It's okay. It works.
But it's not mine.
Yeah, not yours exactly. You know, if it's yours, then maybe you change.
That's it.
Yeah.
You can change it?
No, no. I'm here to fix the leak.
Yeah.
Yeah, the leak through ceiling went to all the way to the basement. I fix. I
Get
fix.
there, everything.
Yeah, I don't. I fix leak.
Oh.
I don't fix sheetrock. I don't fix the carpet, the paint, those spackling. That you got to call the. Call your landlord.
Oh, again, you must call the again. If coming water, yes?
No, the leak was here. Leak was under the sink.
Oh,
Yes.
now he's okay.
Now it's okay.
Okay.
Yes.
If he fixed that one, the ceiling or
Yes.
this one, he must have to
Yes. Now it's okay. And again, there's a lot of old piping here, but we fixed it and the sink works. There's no more drip, no more leaks.
Okay.
Okay. And you know where the main water valve is now too. It's most important.
You can use everything.
Yes, you can use everything.
Thanks.
All right. You're very welcome, ma'am. You have a wonderful day. Enjoy your summer. Okay. And hopefully we don't see each other too soon. Okay.
Not too soon.
Not too soon. Not too soon. Not too soon. And we're gonna lock up the door here. Push the little button there so it locks. All right, ma'am. You have a wonderful day. Thank you very much. Okay, you're very welcome. Make sure you put the carpet back. You know, the carpet's back. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. All right, let's close the screen door. Okay. All right. I entertained the community. I showed them another plumbing service call. Epic. Epic, epic, epic. The only bad part about this service call is that we spent about 50 minutes driving to the customer's location, and now we're gonna spend another 50 minutes driving back home, at least at a minimum. It sucks, and it's only like 12 miles away. Effing New York traffic. Oh, I swear. And you know what? It's not so much better in South Carolina either. I was in Greenville. Oh my God. It's crazy traffic, and building upon building upon building. All they're doing is building more and more and more residential neighborhoods, and I hear they need a lot more plumbers and HVAC guys down there, electricians. Stay tuned, guys, because Mikey Pipes is coming to South Carolina. It's gonna be epic, and I'm gonna be hiring. And I don't want just any, like, you know, I don't need any hacks working for me. So if you're tired of working for a mediocre company, you need to email me, mike@mikeypipes.com, especially if you live in South Carolina. It's gonna be epic, guys. All right, thank you so much for tuning in. Air Force Nut and I, we're gonna stop by King Umberto's in Elmont on the corner of Meacham Avenue and Hempstead Turnpike, and we're gonna get some delicious pizza. Pizza. I'm so hungry. I gotta feed my belly. All right, until next time, be well, God bless, stay safe.